Landon, do those taste good? Are those good cookies?
Hello?
Do they? What are they? Are they tasty?
Are they gluten-free, wheat-free, dairy-free, egg-free, yeast-free, GMO-free?
They're what?
Sticky.
Sticky? Do you like them? Oh, are they yummy? Why aren't you eating them? Are they good, Landon? Yeah? Will you try it again? Oh, that's good. Is it good? How come you're eating them so slow? Do they taste good or bad? Are they good?
Yes.
Are they bad? Eat some more for me. Take a big bite. Take a big bite of your cookie. Is it good? Is it good? Were those worth?
These are delicious.
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 Those taste like heaven.
A head.
You're eating that head?
Does it taste like a head?
Mhm.
It tastes good though.
Hello. A mouth.
You ate the mouth?
Mhm.
Well, maybe you should stop eating it.
Help.
What?
Help.
Hi hop? Do you want to finish it? You want Mom to eat one?
Mhm.
Mom, why don't you eat one? Oh, Furfur has to eat one?
Mhm.
Alright, I'll try one.
No.
Can I have some of your juice?
No. No, Mama.
Mama's cookie.
You try it, Landon. Yum! You don't want the rest? That one didn't taste good?